we're going to take some of our graham crackers. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. We're going to add about half a cup of butter. Slowly mix it in. A crumbly texture, you see, it should just crumble away. You need to be really generous with the lube. If you're not, it's going to give you a lot of grief. So we're going to take our graham crackers and we're going to place it in our tray. Flatten your crust evenly. Now we're going to bake it at 350 for 8 minutes. Cheesecake. We'll use about 300 grams of cream cheese. I have electric whip, but I'm not going to use them. Yeah, you need to burn the calories before you eat them. So work for it! You can use a stand mixer though, because you are not me. About half a cup of cream, and then we're going to mix it. We're going to crack 2 eggs into it. Egg 1. Now we're gonna mix it in slowly. Room temperature eggs. Cold eggs do not whisk well. Room temperature eggs. Add yolk to it. We're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla. 1 cup of sugar. I'm too lazy to shift it, but you should shift your sugar. 2 tablespoons of flour. Cold, okay? When you start filling it, it needs to be cold, okay? Cold! To foil it on all sides so the water does not get in. We're gonna add hot water to the sides. Bake it at 350 for 1.5 hours. Take it out of the oven. When you can touch the water, you see? The water is not hot. Once it's out of the oven, it has completely cooled down. It needs to be cold! And then we're gonna wrap it up and keep it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours overnight for the best results. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Now we're going to stressfully remove the mold. Now you just pray to God that it has set properly. I think it's a bit stuck. It has set! Okay, now we're gonna slowly remove it. Be gentle with it. Be gentle. Now we're gonna just warm up our knives before we cut into it. Cut into it. Be gentle, gentle, gentle. Of course, be gentle. Okay. Now you're gonna be fancy smanchy. Chop off a few of the strawberries. Now you're just gonna slice and dice them. And if your siblings try to steal it, cut their fingers. Our strawberries. Add about a lot of salt, a lot of sugar, a lot of sugar. Don't add salt. Sugar. Cook at low heat for 20 minutes. If you do like my daily recipes, do comment down below what you want to make next and subscribe to this channel. It helps us a lot. And thank you all. Love you.